How to pin someone on Snapchat. Snapchat has an awesome chat feature, which if you select it, you can begin chats with all of your friends on Snapchat. The list of chats can get pretty long, and if you have a group or individual that you message often, you may want to pin them to the top of your chat feed. This makes it easy to access your chat, and you can find it really quickly from your list. If you'd like to pin a conversation to the top of your chat feed, you can first find the conversation, which we're going to use our Techoist videos one. And if you hold down the chat, various options will appear. From the drop-down, you can choose to snap someone, open the chat, you can start a video or audio call, and if you select more, you have even more options to edit the name of the conversation. So if it's a group chat, you can give it a fun name. You can clear the conversation, delete the chats, and more. If you select Pin Conversation, the conversation will be moved to the top of your feed. You'll know it's pinned because you'll see a pin icon on the right-hand side of the conversation. Typically, any chats that you open and send messages in are added to the top of your chat feed. So if we were to do this with some other messages, you can see that our Techoist video chat still remains at the top of the screen, even though we've opened other chats since opening our Techoist chat. So that's a quick way to keep your popular chats at the top of your screen for easy access. And that's how to pin someone on Snapchat. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.